Struggling to get users for your Telegram bot? What if I told you that you could hit 10,000 users with just one simple feature? No, it's not a gimmick, it's a powerful growth strategy that's surprisingly easy to implement. The secret is a referral system. Think about it, your existing users are your best advocates. By rewarding them for inviting their friends, you create a viral loop that grows your bot exponentially. Here's how it works. When a user invites a friend, and that friend joins your bot, the original user gets a reward. This could be premium features, extra credits, or exclusive access. It's a win-win. Your users get perks, and you get a flood of new, engaged members. We used this exact method to scale one of our bots from 0 to over 10,000 users in just a few months. It's effective, cost-efficient, and builds a strong community from day one. Want to learn the step-by-step process? Hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos for a deep dive. Thanks for watching.